Hey, what up guys, how's it going? I got something kind of cool here. This is my brand new AuxBeam T1 series LED headlight bulbs. Now, if you remember before in my car, I had a bulb, then I had a ballast, then I had a relay kit, all this wiring and extra stuff that is just old now. AuxBeam has now come up with a new way to just simply go under your hood, take out your old bulb and pop this right in. Plug and play, no ballast. No extra wiring, no flicker, no errors with your canvas system. So yeah, this is real simple, easy to do. We're gonna go in the garage and go in my car and install these so you can see me do it really quick. Now these are about 35 watts per bulb, but this is a 6500K Kelvin color, so it's a nice, pure, bright white. I'm really excited. Last thing, before I unbox it, this retails for about $62, but if you hit the link in my description and use my promo code, which is of course Locobooff, it'll take it down to $45.99, so not bad. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna unbox it, get in here so you can see it, then we'll go in the garage and I'll install it. All right guys. Okay, my car takes an H11 bulb, so make sure you order whatever corresponds with your car. And here's a good look at the packaging here. AuxBeam. And if you think about it, if you go to your local auto parts store, they're gonna charge you around $35, $40 something for one halogen really dim bulb, when you can get two of these that are extremely bright, ready to go, and you'll have a lot more visibility for almost the same price. Now, like I said, these are 70 watts total, so that's 35 watts each. AuxBeam, they give you some nice decals here. All right. Here, give a quick how-to guide and information in there. And here are the bulbs themselves. Now, how cool is that, right? Sleek, modern, very well built, extremely durable. You can see the light there, and you're absolutely rocking and rolling. Okay, and as we can see on the back here, it has a built-in fan extracting the heat, keeping these cool for hours and hours and hours of longevity. Now also inside here, in the past, some cars have had error problems come up with their canvas, you know, your onboard computer system that comes with your car. That's what these are for. So if you have any issues directly plugging these in, these are plug and play, simple to do. It'll just go in between here. Okay, and it would go like this if you needed this piece. That's only if you were receiving error messages or something was wrong, flickering, anything like that, it's already included. Now, the most of you, including myself, I'm seriously doubting you'll have that issue. So you'll go ahead and just leave this normal without that piece. Put it back down. We'll lock it in there, and it's plug and play. Take out the old bulb, put this one in, plug this in to the existing incoming from your car to the existing light bulb, right in there, and you're good to go. Now we'll go down to the garage, install that really quick, and you'll see just how easy it is. Now for your average person, we're talking 5 or 10 minutes, bada boom, bada bing, you're done. No ballast, no wiring harness, none of that stuff at all. Now these are dust proof and weatherproof. These are IP68 rated, so you can't really go wrong with that. And like I said, this is a 6500K pure white bright, and I'm just excited, guys. Let's go put them in. Okay, just so you guys could see, look at the nightmare that I was dealing with before, okay? You had ballast, relay kit. Half the time the ballast might go out, then you have to buy a new ballast and switch them out. And just all this cabling and wiring, and it's got to go to your battery and other parts. It's just ridiculous. So, no mas. Simple, plug and play. I'm so happy to be free of all that garbage. So, got my new lights here, plug them in, and that's it. So let me zoom in so you guys can see me go ahead and plug it in, and we'll get a better look at it. Okay, so no wiring, no grounding, no relay kits, no nothing. We're just gonna go ahead and install it and put it in. And it's plug and play. So I'm gonna go to my existing plug here. All right, then I'll just go ahead and plug it in like so. Now it's plugged in, you see that there? That's it. Then I'll go ahead and install the bulb inside. Now, depending on your car, the way you install this could look a little different, okay? Now it's in, twist and lock, and that's it. So I'll go ahead and put my dust cover back on. Okay, dust cover back on, and I'm rocking and rolling. Now let's see what it looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what it looks like. I'm in my garage here. You go ahead and boom. Now I'll be honest with you guys, I've been using these lights for probably the last 6 days. Just testing it and seeing how it looked, how bright it was, and let me tell you guys, it's a lot cleaner, way brighter, and I could just see images and everything a lot further and clearer than I could before. It is definitely worth it. So you guys, yeah, get them. It's better than that old archaic HID kit with the relay and all that garbage. So the link is in the description. Don't forget to use the promo code so you can get it for $45.99 and save yourself a couple of bucks. But I love it, guys, love it. This is what I'll be using from now on. All right, guys.